Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Continuity of driving lessons is really important. The more often you're behind the wheel, the better. Between 2 and 4 hours of private lessons per week is recommended. You're also likely to progress more quickly if you have 2-hour lessons each time.
Take our lead.
When a 1-hour driving lesson is the better option, 2-hour lessons aren't for everyone. They can often be very tiring and some students can struggle with information retention, especially when approaching the end of the lesson. If you work better in short sessions, then a 1-hour plan may be better suited for you.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Depends on your progress and how quickly you can adapt to driving, as it varies greatly from person to person. The average can be between 30 to 40 lessons usually, although some may be less and some may be more, depending on your ability. 2 hours is better than 1.
Take our lead.
Day 10. You can apply for permanent driving license after 31 days of getting learner driving license. It's your prerogative to save it for later or learn on 10th day itself. If you take this class right before going for permanent driving license, then you will be revising what you had learned already.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.